right, everybody. Today we are out doing a little people watching, and we're going to go down to the jeepney station and check out some jeepneys. That's kind of a funny thing to do, because some of the jeepneys are really decorated nicely, and
some of them look like they should be in a junkyard. Some of them are fixed up pretty nicely.
Oh yeah, so we go over here, right?
We go across the street here.
All right. So we'll do that. We'll go and check out some jeepneys. Did you say there was one here that was like...
Yeah, it's over there. It's one of the brown ones over there.
Yeah?
But yeah, they're always here. It's like really decked out.
Yeah. That's kind of interesting. Yeah. This is a classic jeepney. They look pretty cool though. They all look cool. They have kind of same front. They just decked them out differently. This one even got a Mercedes-Benz emblem on it. It's pretty.
They have different engines. Some of them have the Isuzu diesel. Some of them have the Mercedes-Benz diesel. These are all supposedly Eco 2?
Eco-friendly?
Not eco-friendly.
With all that black...
Euro 2.
Euro 2.
Yeah.
They're coming out with... They push down the pedal. Then they have... what do you call it? They have black smoke.
Yeah.
I've been behind one once. It got so much black smoke I couldn't see the jeepney in front of me almost.
Yes. The jeepney we're looking for is this color.
Right. Like this color?
Yeah. It's all beautifully decked out. Usually it's around here.
You said it's usually around here?
Yeah.
Right. Right. If we can... All right. That's another thing they do in Philippines. They honk their horns for some reason. They honk their horns. Yeah.
The one I'm talking about looks like the one that's in the corner. That's a pretty decent one over there. Let's check it out.
Yeah, maybe we can go and check that one out. Yeah. Yeah, this is the main means of transportation. These jeepneys probably transport tens of thousands of people every day. Around Angeles, Mabalacat, they go to San Fernando, they go everywhere. Look at this one. It's pretty low in the front. That one is pretty cool.
It looks, the other one I was talking to you about looks exactly like this one, except instead of having a hood like that, it's a transparent hood, and it's got the engine and everything is chromed on it.
Oh, cool.
It'd be cool to see it.
Maybe he shows up here in a little bit.
Maybe in a little bit he'll show up.
Because they're out here. But this is how they are decking them out. They're really cool little things.
Really nicely decked out. This one's got the what is it? Transformers logo in the front.
Transformer logo, yeah. That's right. It's really cool, you know. You can go down and get some views on it.
They did a really nice job on this one.
Yeah. And they take care of them too. They take care of them like they're their own babies, you know.
Look at the fenders. That'll tell you who
the fenders.
Who the refurbishing company.
Yeah.
Did so they'll have different names. It'll be different places.
Yeah. Clark Hostel. Yeah. And this is how it looks from behind. God bless Philippines is this guy's signature. It's pretty cool though. It's pretty cool though.
It's a cool one.
Right?
The blue one is another cool one over there.
Well, we go and have a look. We do a little jeepney thing today.
Yeah.
Call it the main. What do you call it? Main way of transportation. Actually, it's in the Philippines. I mean, you know, I've been around to Tagbilaran. I've been, you know, in Cebu. I've been all over. It's jeepneys galore everywhere.
All over the Philippines.
The only difference is the jeepneys looks even different from city to city sometimes.
Different colors
Yeah.
mean different routes.
Yeah. This one almost looks like a Ford. Is it?
It is a Ford.
It is a Ford. Yeah. Ford Everest.
You have a classic one in the corner over there.
Right. That's really cool. Which one? Oh yeah. That's a classic one too.
Classic one.
Yeah, they're pretty interesting. All right, so we can go and do a little thing on this one too. We're actually here at the jeepney station in Clark Gate, right? This is called the Clark Gate jeepney
Clark
station.
Gate, yes.
Yeah. Yeah, this road right out here takes you right into SM Mall, which you can see probably if you look over up
That bridge,
over the
that's
bridge.
entrance, yes.
Yeah, is the entrance. And then a bus terminal down there too. This is a older classic guy, right? They're pretty cool, you know. They're very cool.
And we can go to the other side. We have the gray ones also there.
Right.
So there's
All
a
right.
few of them over there that are pretty neat. But it's fun riding them too.
Is it fun riding? Yeah.
Yeah, they're fun. It's fun
Yeah.
to ride the jeepneys.
Yeah. The thing with me is that since I bought a motorcycle, I haven't barely been in a jeepney. Last time I was in a jeepney was last week with you, and
Yeah.
before that it was probably 4 years.
I have fun. You get to meet people. People are friendly. They're smiling.
Yeah.
You're a foreigner. They ask questions.
And when you
They look
come,
at you.
and when you come with camera and everything else,
Oh, you get all these beautiful smiles.
then
out of nowhere.
you get smiles everywhere. Yeah. That's a cool color on that jeepney. Yellow, white, and then you have like decked out with the Filipino flag colors.
Yes. And once again, different colors go different routes.
Yeah,
Here, oh no.
that's not
I
it.
thought it was the one, but no, this one, it's another one that looks like it.
Right.
But if they're traveling the route, we may be able to get to see it.
Yeah.
It's really
Well,
neat.
Yeah. Well, we can.
Well, let's go look at the other ones and then come back.
Right.
Hopefully, they'll come around.
Yeah, the green ones. Those Mount Pinatubo. What is
Bayan
that?
Terminal?
Yeah. Yeah. So.
Then you get these chromed ones.
Yeah. Some of them are driving around and looking like mirrors.
Exactly. Look at that.
Yeah.
Let's go across the street, check out that. You can see how friendly the people are by simply everybody looking over
Right.
and smiling.
Yeah.
They pack them in. This is how they load them.
Yeah.
There's Scotland, look at that.
Right. Yeah. That's another one down there. Pretty cool.
They're loading.
They have, yeah. Do they have like parking areas here also where they got maybe park and
Yeah,
take a break?
that's where we're headed. That's where they park.
They take their breaks and
Yeah.
that kind of stuff. And right down here you have Astro Park too.
Astro
Right?
Park, yes.
Yeah. All right. Better get out of the way.
Go through the parking lot.
Yeah. It's a little smelly here.
Oh yeah, I guess the drivers relieve themselves.
Yeah. All right. Private family jeepney.
Every so many years they refurbish them. They
Right.
change out their engines and they want to phase them out and make, replace them with electric vehicles. But these people make a living out of their work. It's difficult.
Yeah, they just don't have the means, financial means.
They don't
to,
have the financial means to be able to
to,
buy the new equipment.
to get it done. Yeah. Yeah, that's for sure.
But refurbishing these old Jeeps, which are
Yeah,
going back to the 50s probably.
they keep trying to fix them all the time. So it's something they do all the time. All right, straight down this way you have Astro Park, and we sometimes go here, with the family and the
Yeah,
kids.
have a picnic. We have to do that with Hazel.
It's
We've already made a date. We're gonna do that.
Yeah.
One of these days.
right.
And so you have some of these jeepneys have been totally refurbished.
Right.
They look really neat. Then you have the rundown ones.
Yeah, you have some that doesn't look so cool, but weathering out stuff. But I've seen some that are even more decked out. They're almost gold plated.
I like the old one, like this green one over here.
The green one?
Yeah, it looks really neat. Look at that. Old, the
Oh yeah.
typical sound of the jeepney.
And not so healthy sound of the transmission.
Not so healthy.
Not so healthy. But at least that one didn't seem to be smoking. Here's a chrome one.
As you know,
Utah, USA. Utah. Where is
Utah.
it?
Utah.
What's the senator from Utah?
oh, the guy that ran for president, you mean? Is that the guy?
Yeah. What's his name?
Oh gosh.
He's the one that doesn't think we have any problems on the border either.
Yeah.
That's
I
kind
know
of
what you're
interesting.
talking about.
Yeah.
The guy that, well, he was running against President Obama, just kissed up to him.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
Well,
I don't remember names of people that don't really matter.
yeah, that's,
Here we go. We got some interesting ones coming up.
this one is S.M. Clark. Running to Clark. Clark Main Gate. Yeah, there's a lot of them in there. I didn't realize how many they really are in there.
Well, there's lots of them.
Yeah.
This one's nice. Drove the through.
Oh yeah. That one is pretty cool actually. This one is pretty cool actually. And they all have their own little front. You know. And their own little grill and everything. Which one you're talking about?
Well, these over here, a little assortment of the smaller ones.
Yeah, well, we can go and get those too. We'll just go. We'll just walk.
Get that sound.
Do a little pan walk down this alley.
Like this yellow one here. Nice and neat.
Yeah,
Silver one.
they're pretty cool. And some of them has been pretty dinged up and plastered together.
Oh yeah.
Like this one. Yeah, that's one thing when you're on a motorcycle in this city, you better watch out for these guys because they cross 3 lanes. They see one passenger, they kill you for 5 pesos. You know.
What I have seen, as you know, I walk a lot,
Right.
and I always look for things on the floor because I always find a coin here and a coin there. But nowhere in the world, in the 70 countries that I have been, have I seen so many nuts, bolts, screws, auto parts laying on the side of the road. So that tells you what vehicle safety is all about here.
Right. Well,
I have collected a few.
It's either that or it's the parts department.
It's the parts department, yes. I collected a couple of jars worth of nuts, bolts, and interesting things that are actually reusable.
That's incredible.
But anyway, it's an interesting thing here in the Philippines because the jeepney is primarily their main means of transportation.
Right.
The other ones are the tricycles. That's the next segment we're going to do.
Right. Yeah, we'll do it.
We'll
We'll do a tricycle video and go. There is some big tricycle station somewhere. We'll
yeah,
just
we
go
can
and-
take a look at.
We'll do that, but that'll be the next video.
That'll be the next.
All right.
Anyway,
So
so what's next?
for now, all right. So are we done here at we're done at the jeepney station?
We're done at the jeepney station.
So now we're gonna maybe walk up Friendship Avenue for a little bit. That'll be the next video. So stay tuned and thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Bye bye.